to my channel. So today I have 3 Influenster Voxbox unboxings. This ginormous one, you could probably tell what that is. And then these 2 here, and of course, as always, I love sharing with you guys so you can see the variety and the different things that Influenster sends. I know there are people that have said they don't really get much. They maybe have gotten one thing or never gotten anything. Don't give up. That was me in the beginning. I have been with Influenster for many years now, since before starting my YouTube channel. And it took a very, very long time for me to even get one Voxbox. So don't give up. Keep trying. They recently updated their app and the way they do things. So definitely, if you have not checked out the website, it will be linked down below. I do have a referral link, which basically just takes you there, and it lets them know that I referred you. It doesn't give me anything in return. It doesn't give me more chances at Voxboxes or anything like that. It's just for you guys. It is a free site, a free app that you can get free products. Like I said, a variety of products, not just beauty products. It's all types of products. I've gotten so many different things from them. So let's go ahead and see what we got in these boxes. Okay, so the first one, it looks like is from Nexus. I think is how you pronounce it. It says on here, get stronger, fuller, thicker looking hair with up to 97% less breakage. And I will tell you guys that there are some times that I do get sample products, like deluxe sample size products. I don't always get full size. There's many times I've gotten just small products to where I can test them out and try them. They're not always full size, but this is the information on the product that is in here. It does look like it is a full size from what I can tell. It says here that it lifts roots, visibly thickens strands, protects hair from heat and breakage. It's color safe, paraben free, dye free, and 100% free of all drug free. And it is in this packaging. I will go ahead and open it. I love things. Definitely been into most recently a lot of products that are for thickening the hair, giving volume to the hair, because my hair has thinned out so much due to COVID. When I got COVID back in August of 2022, that was the first time I experienced that. And after that point is when I noticed a lot of dramatic pieces, like a lot of hair dramatically falling out. So I'm always open to try products that are going to really help my hair. And I will be testing this out here shortly. I'm going to probably curl my hair here in a little bit. And I'll let you guys know what I think about this. It smells really good. It kind of smells, it's very minty. It smells almost like the tea tree shampoo from Paul Mitchell. Really, really nice. Very minty. Really smells nice. So definitely we'll be giving this a try. This will be one of those products that will probably be really good putting it on. Yeah, it says to put on damp hair. And then to rub into the scalp. So I'll definitely be giving this a try. So that's the first thing. Thank you for that, Nexus and Influenster. We're definitely excited about that one. The next one, it looks like, is from CoverGirl, right here. Very big box for the product they sent, which is kind of funny, kind of a waste of a box. But what they sent me is the new Clean Fresh Skincare Color Correcting Serum, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. Says you can wear it alone or with makeup. So apparently there's 4 different types, 4 different tones, excuse me. It's sensitive skin, vegan, which is great because I am sensitive. I have very sensitive skin. Fragrance free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, dermatologist recommended. It has avocado and ceramide complex with niacinamide for stressed, sensitive skin. It says it's a moisturizer and primer in one. Calm and correct tone of sensitive issues. over time will neutralize the skin. I'm really excited to try this. I will definitely be doing a video soon using this, and we can test it out and see. This is a full size, it looks like. I will try to link it if I could find it down below for you guys if you want to check it out and get more information on it. I have not ever really been a huge CoverGirl person, like not in my ages now. Now, when I was a teenager, I did have a powder from them and a couple other things. But as I gotten older and my skin's gotten more sensitive, I haven't been able to use. But I am very glad that this is has so many good things and not bad things. And it is geared for sensitive skin. So I'm really, really excited about this. I will definitely update you guys on here or on my community tab or even Instagram, letting you know what I think, and I'll probably do like a little short or something trying this so you guys can get an overall view of what I think about that. So thank you, Influenster and CoverGirl, for this one. Like I said, they give a variety of things. So you see there I got hair care and I would say a skincare product slash beauty product. And then now this one here, looks like they sent me some flips, and I'm sure you guys are all familiar with flips. Super excited about this. Love when we get snacks and foods. I've gotten dog products before. I've gotten medication. I've gotten so many different things. So let's see what they sent. This is a huge box, you guys. And okay, you see the size of the bags? They're the normal size. And look how huge this box is. So compared to, I mean, this is ginormous. I honestly thought this thing had like a ton more, but I'm happy with what they sent. It's just ridiculous that this box is ginormous for 4 little bags. Anyways, okay, so the first one they sent is the candy cane flavored right there with the white chocolate. And these are in star shapes, it looks like. Very nice. Didn't even see those at the grocery store. Then they sent just the original white chocolate fudge. I think this is a little bigger. Yeah, this is a 7.5 and this is a 5 ounce. So there's that. My husband does really love chocolate covered pretzels. This is dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. And then this is just milk chocolate right there. So that's really nice. They sent one of each flavor, which is really cool. Go ahead and try with you guys on camera real quick. I'm going to try the dark chocolate. I don't know that anybody else in my family would want these but me. They're more for the other ones, but I'm really excited. These are really nice to have in the house, especially when you're wanting something just kind of sweet and salty. So of course they just look like that. Just a basic pretzel. That's really good. Something that you can't have like a whole lot of. I mean, it's not like it's so rich that for me personally, a couple would just be suffice. So that's really, really good. I kind of want to try the candy cane. So I'm going to open that one real quick. Hope you guys don't mind. These ones are super cute because they're not your average shape, like your average pretzel. So this is candy cane. Oh, I like that. My husband's gonna love these. I like this one so much better than dark chocolate. And I prefer dark chocolate over peppermint. This is really, really good. Just gonna have one more. Alright guys, so that is it. That was really, really good. It left like a pepperminty taste in my mouth. It's really, really nice. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Influenster, Nexus, CoverGirl, and Flips. Thank you so much for these products. I really do appreciate it. definitely be on the lookout. I'm going to give you guys an update definitely on the face product and the hair product, let you guys know what I think. I'll try to use it and make a little video of some sort sharing with you guys my honest reviews and thoughts. So don't forget, if you did enjoy this video or these types of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you'd like to watch more videos like this and other videos from me. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Also, don't forget that the link will be down below for you if you want to check out Influenster. Like I said, it is free. You just answer surveys and different questions periodically, and they will see if you qualify for a Voxbox of some sort. And like I said, it is a variety of things. It's not just one specific thing. It's a multiple of things. And I just saw that they are now doing clothing, which is super cool. I would love to get clothing and test out clothing products and things like that for my body shape, because I don't have your average body shape that people have. So it would be nice to try that. But anyways, guys, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.